Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ali Sultan and welcome back to Sir Zen's channel. Okay, let us solve some mathematics problem. Number 7. In a certain school, the ratio of boys to girls is 5:7. If there are 180 boys and girls in the school, how many boys are there? Letter A, 105. Letter B, 45. Letter C, 90. Letter D, 75. Okay, ang una natin gagawin, intindihin natin yung problem. So, meron tayo ditong ratio ng boys to girls, that is 5:7. Meron din tayong 180 na mga students doon sa certain school na yon. Ang hinahanap natin ngayon, kung ilan nga ba yung mga boys na nandoon sa school na yon. Okay? So, kailangan natin mag-let. So, i-let natin yung 5x as boys and 7x as girls kasi ito yung tinatawag nating partitive ratio with two quantities. Okay? Partitive ratio with two quantities. So, kapag i-add natin itong 5x at saka 7x, ang equal or ang result is 180. Kasi, di ba kapag partitive ratio with two quantities, kailangan lang natin i-add yung dalawa para makuha natin yung kabuuan. Okay? So, una, ang gagawin natin, alamin muna natin kung ano nga ba yung value ng ating x. Okay? Para malaman natin kung ano yung value ng ating x, kailangan lang natin i-combine like term yung 5x at saka ng 7x. Okay? I-combine like term natin yan. So, i-add natin yan siya. So, ang mangyayari, 5x plus 7x, that is equal to 12x. Okay? I-copy lang natin yung 180. Ngayon, kailangan lang natin maalis yung coefficient, yung numerical coefficient ng ating x. So, para maalis yan, i-divide natin yan siya by 12. So, kapag i-divide natin by 12, kailangan din natin i-divide yung 180 sa right side ng 12. Okay? So, kapag i-divide natin yan, ang matira lang dyan sa left side is x. No? Tapos, kapag i-divide natin yung 180 by 12, ang result is 15. So, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi hindi pa yan yung number of boys na nandoon sa certain school. So, para mahanap natin, para malaman natin kung ilan nga ba yung mga boys na nandoon sa school na yun, kailangan lang natin gamitin yung gilit natin. Diba? Yung 5x as a boys, right? So, 5x as a boys. So, yung 5, i-multiply natin sa x. So, i-multiply natin sa x. So, diba ang ating x is 15. So, 5 multiplied by 15, that is equal to 75. Ibig sabihin, there are 75 boys in that school. Okay? So, ang ating sagot is letter D, 75. And that's all. Thank you for watching.